Hello, teacher. My name is Kelly Rivera. Um, I'm going to talk about sport and my prediction for the future. Is all sport because it really in home way to social and eating sport are very important for people's health and opinion. Today many people I played sport every day. Athletes train every hard and many fans watch games on television, on their planets, or on the internet. Technology mm, is all reality. Helping players improve their performance and many towns use modern equi- equipment in the future in team sport are going to change a lot. In 5 years, at tech are going to use more advanced technology to train coach are going to use artificial intelligence to analyze the game and improve its strategies. Fans are going to watch match with virtual reality, so they are going to feel like they are inside the stadium. More people are go to exercise because they want to live healthy live. I also think children are going to spend more time playing sport at school. Sport are going to become faster and more exciting. I believe with technology in go to reducing injuries at that recover more quickly. Each people are going to work differently in the future because many sport professionals are going to use technology every day. Trains, dots, and coach are going to work Dr. Wins new digital thought. Netjar Mid City is organizing more sport events for children and family. It's bowling, new park, and sport field to more people can exercise and how outdoor activities. People are preparing for the future by exercising more, eating healthy food, and learning how to use new technology in sport. I believe the future is going to be better because sport are going to bring people together, improved health and creativity, more opportunities for young athletes on courts. They are going to be challenged both eating technology and work are going to make sport even better. Thank you very much, teacher.